Now that you've signed up for Textel and logged in, it's time to get you started texting with your customers. In this video, we'll show you how to send a text, send a picture text, and even schedule a message to go out in the future to your customers.
To send a new text, go up here and click on New Text, and go ahead and type in the mobile number that you want to text. Right away, you can name that contact, so when they text you back, you know who they are. Type your message and hit send. The conversation will pop up here on the left, and you'll see which user sent the text to that customer. Now, if you'd like to send a picture, you can do that as well. Click on New Text, type in the name or the number of the contact you want to text, and go down here and click on the paperclip. Attach a picture, type your message, and hit send. The picture will pop up here on the left in the conversation window, so you have a history of any text and pictures that you sent to your customers. You can also schedule a text message to be sent at a future date and time. This is very helpful for reminding customers of appointments or important tasks that they need to do. Our customers drastically cut down on no-shows and last-minute cancellations by using this scheduled text feature. Go up here to New Text and click on the arrow right next to it and select New Scheduled Text. Type in the name or the number that you want to text and your message, and then click down here on the date and time to schedule a future date to send that text message. Click Send, and our system will hold that text until it's time to be sent out. If at any time you need to delete that scheduled text message, simply click on the message and hit Delete, and you can delete that scheduled text. Okay, now you know how to get started texting with your customers, sending pictures, and scheduling texts.